we have just run into a robux scam. Disguised as jailbreak. There's 18,000 people playing it apparently. But I get it. This thing literally makes no sense. Visits 433. How many people are playing? 18,000. I can't even play it to see what's going on. I just need to, yeah. Second, there's this one person who tells people not to take Robux scams. And he is Flamingo on YouTube. And then again, there's one of the ads not by him. He doesn't really make ads. Yeah, please. Please. Should I just, But there is no football. Dun, 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 dun. Bill Bob's looking good. The thing is, he's never on when I'm on, which is weird. So I can't play with him when I really want to. Oh yeah, he's the one who discovered that Sonic had toe fungus, by the way. Oh, okay, he has something of eating children. Well, yeah, I guess that wraps up the Robux scam. Screencast-O-Matic. That sounds cut because it is. You can't normally edit. I just hit the stop button and the off button.